In this video, you'll learn how to acquire Dogecoin using the Trust Wallet application. By following these steps, you will be able to purchase Dogecoin directly through the wallet, making it convenient to manage your cryptocurrency. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. You can do this by typing www.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This action will take you to the Google homepage where you can search for the Trust Wallet extension. Once you are on the Google homepage, use the search bar to look for the Trust Wallet extension. Type Trust Wallet extension and hit enter. After the search results load, locate the appropriate link for the Trust Wallet extension and click on it to proceed to the download page. After the Trust Wallet extension page opens, look for an option to install or add the extension to your browser. Click on this option and a confirmation dialog may appear. Confirm the installation by selecting Add Extension. Once the installation is complete, you should see the Trust Wallet icon in your browser's toolbar. Next, click on the Trust Wallet icon to open the extension. The wallet interface will load, presenting you with various options. Look for the Fund option and click on it to access the funding features within the wallet. Once the funding page opens, find and click on the Buy Crypto option. This will direct you to the section where you can purchase various cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. Be aware that the availability of options may depend on your current location and the payment methods supported. After accessing the Buy Crypto section, look for the Choose a Crypto option. Click on it to view a list of available cryptocurrencies for purchase. In this section, you will have the ability to select Dogecoin as your desired cryptocurrency. Next, click on the search feature to find Dogecoin quickly. Type Dogecoin into the search bar that appears and press enter. This action will filter the available options, making it easier to locate Dogecoin. Once you find Dogecoin in the search results, click on the appropriate listing to select it. This will allow you to proceed with the purchase process specifically for Dogecoin. Now, you will need to specify the amount of Dogecoin you wish to buy. Look for the input field where you can type in the desired quantity. After entering the amount, double check to ensure it's correct before moving forward. After confirming the amount, click on the Continue button to proceed with the transaction. This action will initiate the purchase process, and you may see a confirmation screen summarizing your order. Review the details before completing the transaction to ensure everything is accurate. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.